Good God! Time has ravaged your once youthful looks. Okay. 369 is fine for me for visual analogy. Now, Dale, what the hell are you talking about now? What in God's name are you talking about now? The letters and numbers. I think it's called the study of orthography and letter symbolism. Like they convey, it's like a visual analogy. It's in case like you didn't, like if you were some civilization that like somehow found like the English language and the English, I mean the number system, the Arabic number system that we've been on forever. Like the symbols themselves are trying to give you. Some of them try to give you. They all have like a visual analogy to them to try to let you decipher what it's conveying without knowing it. So 369, damn, you're fine. Yeah. So look at a 3. Imagine like the State Farm logo where it's like 3 eggs, like a 3-leaf clover. So the 3 has 2 of those eggs and leaves 1 open. The 6 is one of those specific eggs, and the 9 is the other one of the eggs. 3, 6, 9. 4 creates a grid, and one of the 4 corners of the grid is different than the other 3. So it's like it's implying that like the symbol 4 is like it's a cross, it's a grid, and one of them is open or has like an extra spot to it, so an extra line to it, differentiating it from the others. So it's like implying that it's a fourth of 100, like that. 4 is of a fullness, like of a circle or a grid. It's like it assumes that the viewer or the analyzer or interpreter rationalizes by tens and hundreds. So that's what the 4 does. 5 is like, so the 5, the right angle and then a circle. So the circle is the complete 4. So that is, then the extra right angle where the 5 is open, it's like those are adjacent grids. So it's a full 4 and then an extra one. So that's why it's a right angle and it's around connected to a circle. Like it's a unit and a fourth. 2 is upside down 7, and it looks like it's a 5 and a 5 and an upside down 7 is a 2. So that makes sense. Which is why 7 is, it's like spinning an 8 like that. So it's like, and if an 8 is like an 8 is like that, and then flip it this way, like the 7 is like, it's like going down the slide coming at you. 8 is 2 4s. That's easy. 2 circles. 9, 3, 6, 9, and 0 is a sphere. So there's in Arizona, there's like Circle K is like the biggest gas station easily, and the name is provocative, and it's like, I think that's exactly what a K is representing. A circle. It's giving you a diameter and 2 radiuses, implying that like maybe a cryptographic circle is 11 years because it's the 11th number of the alphabet, 11th letter. Pardon. September means the 7th month, but it's the 9th month. October means the 8th month, but it's the 10th month. November means the 9th month, but it's the 11th month. December means the 10th month, but it's the 12th month. January, I think it's either... Excuse me. God bless this fine American electorate. January might be January or like once, Spanish. So is and s they both work for the third person pronoun. Like it's the yo, to, say, like he or she, we, and then plural, he and she. So is and s both work with he or she. Like English and Spanish are they're both named after the progressive tense. English, and spando, span, the span-ish of Latin, since Latin. It's like the record keeper of the whole span-ish. English is like, it's interesting that it's named after the progressive tense, and that makes perfect sense because English, so long as language, so long as you're communicating with it, is always ongoing, always ing. February, I think iron, maybe Fe. So but that's what the color of the ground would be. If it's not snowy, it's just muddy, or like dirt. The grass is dying. It's my every goddamn waking moment. Like some spiders in my throat or something, guaranteed. It doesn't look like it does not look like my mouth is moving naturally. It looks like so yes, this is our introduction into orthography and letter symbolism, and kind of arbitrary factoid, trivial trivia question factoid bullshit. Okay, but remember those things. It's strange. It's wicked cool, wicked awesome. But I wanted to share those insights with anybody, everybody. I would share them with everybody. Yeah, if I could reach everybody, I would love for them to know these things about the visual analogy given in letters and symbols. It would just turn my butter, spin my world. If I could just reach everybody with that kind of knowledge, set me free. Yes, very good.